I'm David and this is Maya. And today we're going to make a pizza. Do you like pizza, Maya? Do you like pizza? Yeah? Okay, so we have some ingredients here to make our pizza. This is what? What is this? Is that queso? Cheese? Okay, we have cheese, pepperoni, peppers, mushrooms, and tomato sauce. And this here is our dough. So Maya, first thing, we're gonna spray our pan so that the dough doesn't get stuck to it when we cook it. Do you wanna spray it? Help me spray it. Okay, now we're gonna take our dough and we're gonna spread it out across the corners of the pan. Can you help me keep pressing the dough? We're gonna do cheese in 1 minute. Can you help me finish pressing the dough? Good job. Woo. You wanna do the other hand? You wanna do the other hand? Woo. Press the bubbles out. Press the bubbles. Press the bubbles. So now we have what is this?
Fork.
It's a fork? Tenedor?
Yeah.
Can you say tenedor? Tenedor is a fork. And what are we gonna do with the fork? Yeah, what are you doing? Are you poking the pizza? When you poke it, you have to go poke, poke, poke. Can you say poke, poke, poke? Good job. So now we're gonna take our tomato sauce and pour it onto the pizza dough. Okay, this is where I need your help, Chef Maya. We need to spread the sauce out across the dough. Can you help me with that? So we're gonna take the spoon and we're gonna spread, spread, spread. You wanna do it? Okay, help me. Your technique needs a little work, Maya. Can you say cheese, please?
Cheese.
Okay. Do you want to put some of the cheese on the pizza?
Pizza.
Okay. Whoa. That was very aggressive, but some of us like a lot of cheese. That's a lot of queso.
Yeah.
Yeah, lots of queso. Does Puppy like queso? Okay, what other toppings does Puppy like? You want to put some pepperonis on the pizza? Okay, 1. 15. What's after 15? 16. 17. 18. 19.
Daddy.
Yay! What's next? Yay! Yeah! Okay, what's this? Mushrooms. Do you want to put the mushrooms on? You're going to do your same method? Let's try and sprinkle them a little bit. What if we do this, Maya? Put some in your hand and then go like this. Can we try that? Yeah! Good job! You're a good sprinkler.
Daddy, I'm done.
All done.
Daddy, fire.
Okay, now we do, what's that? What are these?
Mommy.
You're gonna do those?
Puppy's here.
Those are peppers.
Baby.
Does Puppy like peppers? Should we ask him? Whoa, that's a lot of peppers in one place. Can we spread them out? You're a fan of the dump method. You say, our pizza is ready.
Pizza, buddy.
Okay, now that we have our pizza all decorated the way that we want, we'll put it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes on 475. And now, the fun part, we are gonna cut this pizza up. Make sure your pan is cool. Place the pizza on your cutting board.
Pizza, Daddy.
Okay, and we are gonna cut this pizza. Where should we cut it, Maya? Down the middle? All right. Whoa! Thank you so much for joining us in La Cocina. We hope you'll try these recipes at home and have a great time cooking and eating with your kids.